Joe Hughes of the National Truck Club. Greg Cocott, President of Vanair.
Pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure meeting you and seeing the great products that Vanair brings to the table for Ford dealers. We're just over at the Casco booth and saw a Vanair on top of their mechanic's truck. I mean, Vanair seems to be everywhere. Tell us about the products that Vanair has for Ford Motor dealers.
Well, we have a long-standing relationship with Ford. It's been a very popular truck for the commercial work truck market. We have a number of products that work well with the Ford, whether it's the 350, 550, 550, 650, and 750. We have products that fit on all the Ford trucks.
Exactly.
In this work truck show, we do a lot of mechanic service trucks, tire service trucks, and a number of products from 30 CFM hydraulic-driven compressors to all-in-one air and arc machines, which have a lot of functionality that works, so that goes to the job site. We view the work truck as more than just transportation to the job site.
Absolutely.
So what we do is when a contractor or whatever goes to a job site, our equipment allows him to do all the job functions, whether it's welding, using an air compressor, using a generator, hydraulics to run either a crane or other hydraulics on the truck.
Yeah.
One of the things that we're concentrating on more, in which the industry is moving towards, is turning the truck engine off and using our equipment to power tools on a job site. You know, it's kind of a green technology, so industry seems to be moving from PTO to onboard engines, driving, power tools and all that type of stuff, but there's still a lot of uses with the Ford PTO. We have a broad line of under-deck products from 50 CFM up to 185 CFM. We include our generators on that product, our patented Vanair product, which is a air compressor and generator, allowing the customer to use air tools and also electric power at the same time.
That underdeck piece has been really popular with Ford.
Absolutely, yeah.
It takes the need for one more trailer they don't have to pull.
Right. So I mean, and that product was developed. That's kind of was our core product back in the early 70s when we started the company. But you're right. The underdeck product mounts to the frame rail of the truck. It allows the customer or the contractor to free up his bed space. It saves weight. It frees up the tow hitch, so he doesn't have to possibly take two trucks to a work site. So you get a lot more functionality using our equipment on the Ford truck. It's
you really do create just an awful lot of efficiencies for a lot of different locations. By
correct.
Having the underdeck.
Right. It especially from a fuel saving standpoint, and if you have two pieces of engine equipment to run, now you're maintaining two engines instead of just the one engine on the truck itself. So you get a lot more flexibility. One of the other critical factors is if you have to tow behind a piece of equipment, your mobility through traffic or on off-road use is greatly limited.
Yeah, it is.
With the, especially on Ford 4x4s, which we have a product that fits on the 4x4, that truck, anywhere that truck can go, our equipment goes with the truck because it's integrated with the truck itself. So that's a huge benefit to the contractor who needs to go off-road.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Well, that's great. That's all good stuff.
Good stuff,
We'll put a ribbon along the bottom of the video telling people how to get a hold of Vanair, and we'll see if we can.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Continue to grow our collective businesses.
Sounds good.
Thanks again,
Appreciate it.
Greg.
Thank you.
Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.